I was always a very curious person.
Try to find the relevance of your research.
It helps you get a better perspective on the world.
Chill, I guess. Just work one step at a time. Do something that no one's ever done before.
The skills that you gain now, you never know where it can be useful in the future.
It's important, I think, to remember that you're still absolutely creating opportunities for yourself.
Understanding the link between the skills that we learn in academia and the potential industries that we can choose as a career.
If you don't apply, then it's not going to happen.
Hello, I'm Dean Morris. I'm the Head of Operations at the Australian Synchrotron in Clayton.
My name is Virginia Kilborn. I'm a Professor of Astrophysics and Swinburne's Chief Scientist.
My name is Desmond Lau. I am currently a Senior Technical Manager at RMIT University.
I am Shemunti Bhattacharya. From August this year, I am going to move to Leiden Institute of Physics as an Assistant Professor.
My name is Marcus Lingham. I'm a Research and Development Engineer at Electro-Optic Systems in their Space Systems business.
My name is Ken. I'm a Senior Lecturer at RMIT University.
Hi, I'm Liz Bridge. I'm a Strategic Talent Partner with Quantum Brilliance.
My name is Richard and I am a Senior Data Analyst at Westpac Bank.
My current role is Swinburne's Chief Scientist, which is something that combines all of my passions, which is policy, equity and diversity and helping others, teaching and research into the one role. So I'm feeling pretty lucky having this job at the moment.
I oversee most of the core research facilities in the STEM College at the City campus.
My new research direction will be looking into emergent phenomena as a result of proximity effects in van der Waals heterostructures.
At EOS Space Systems, we use optics and lasers to enable capabilities such as space domain awareness and free space optical communication.
And my role as a talent partner is to help find the right people to fill the roles as the company grows. My particular area is working in quantum, and I'm quite often working with looking for quantum researchers and quantum engineers to join the company either in Australia or Germany. Some people apply to us for roles and other people we find through networking and through headhunting activities.